Hi, welcome back with me 5 Top K. This time, I'll give you video about top 5 best tea kettles on Amazon. Well, before go to the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for supports this channel. Okay, let's go to the video. Number 1. ROCKURWOK Tea Kettle. Number 2. Gooseneck Kettle. Number 3. Modern Stainless Tea Kettle. Number 4. MacKenzie-Childs Flower Market Enamel Tea Kettle. Number 5. Chantal Copper Classic Tea Kettle. Well, thanks for watching my video about top 5 best tea kettles on Amazon. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for supports our channel. Also, you can turn on the bell for more updated videos. Well, see you in the next videos.